work on the quinoa, and we're going to be using 2 cups of water to a cup of quinoa. And then we're going to be using a teaspoon of salt. And then we're just going to let this cook for about 15 minutes. So while this is cooking, let's work on the veggies that will go in the quinoa. And this is going to be a cold salad by the way. So we're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes. Alright, so we have our cutting board. It's clean and sanitized. We also have our veggies. These have also been washed and cleaned. So we're going to break these down. The important thing about cutting your veggies, you want to make sure that everything is unique. You don't want to cut some too small and some too big. Alright, so we have this going for a while now, so it's ready. You can see that it's a little bit more translucent. So we're going to go ahead now and strain it off and remove the excess moisture. Alright, so now let's work on the veggies. So we're going to be adding in about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. We're going to be using it to saute the veggies that we cut up. We're not going to be cooking this too much, we're just going to be cooking it for about maybe 2 minutes tops. We just want them to be nice and al dente. Just add a pinch of salt. Add a tablespoon of water. Alright, so our veggies, they're ready. So we're going to set this aside, let it cool. Then we're going to combine everything and then show you what the quinoa salad looks like. Okay foodie, let's bring everything now together. So we have a bowl. We're going to be adding in our quinoa. We also have the cooked veggies that we had before. Make sure we get out everything. We also have some diced avocados. We have some diced tomatoes. We have some scallions. We have some hot pepper sauce. And the hot pepper sauce, that's going to give it that nice diced kick. We have some poppy seed dressing. And we also have some sesame oil. So we're just going to combine everything. Now this has a very interesting smell, it has a very interesting aroma, and I'm sure the taste is just going to be the same. So we're now going to go ahead and plate it out. So there you have it guys, this is what the quinoa salad looks like.